Kevin Anderson was still in the midst of recovering from the return of serve as Rafa knocked the volley into the open court.
Uh-oh. See that attack shows. Nadal knows all too well why everybody is laughing, completely obsessive about his water bottles.
You had a bit of fun, particularly at the end of the match. We saw one of your water bottles fall over. We know how fastidious you are about the labels facing the right way, but it didn't bother you too much. A nice smile on your face when you asked the ball boy to fix the water bottle up.
No, I didn't ask. Seriously, it's not bothering me, no, it's just kind of very stupid things that you do after a lot of years competing.